According to Asante oral tradition, between the 16th and 18th centuries, there lived a fearless Asante warrior who was also a master hunter.
For many days he hunted bushmeat, traveling deeper into the forest than anyone dared. As darkness approached, he discovered what appeared to be an abandoned mud house hidden deep inside the forest. At sunset, a violent wind swept through the forest, and the hunter realized this was no ordinary shelter.
The owner had returned. It was the feared Sasabonsam, guardian of the deep forest.
The hunter fired repeatedly, but every shot struck the Batakari Kese and failed to penetrate it. With only one shot remaining, he carefully aimed at the creature's uncovered face. He carried the sacred Batakari Kese back to his village. He wore the Batakari Kese into battle, and enemy weapons could no longer harm him. From that day, the Batakari Kese became a lasting symbol of courage, spiritual protection, and the enduring strength of the Asante Kingdom.